Hey guys, just me today with the slime. Today I'm going to be making a sparkly glittery one. As you see, I made a pretty nice sized batch of slime this time. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Perfect consistency and all. Now, I have my sparkly glitter. And I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in here. I think this slime will be very, very beautiful. Well, let me show you guys the slime real fast. This is what it looks like. Yeah. So I'm just going to fold it all in. Very beautiful, guys. Very, very beautiful. As you can see, all you see is the little glitter. I think that's very, very pretty. Looks like a party. Hey. You know what? Let's add some of these flakes in too, guys. Why not? I think this is going to be some very, very cool slime. It's like kindergarten slime, you know? Because kindergarten's all colorful and arts and craftsy.
Yeah, come here.
Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye.